Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Mini Sierra Satchel in Signature. As you could see here, it's a combination of material. It's a really nice classy bag. It comes with the gold color hardware. As you could see here, I'm just going to bring this out to the light so that you could see the difference. And as you could see, it does come with the gold color Signature C logo. Come with a leather hand tag on the side. And let's take a look on this side here. And on the bag, it has this little mini thing that you could, mini pocket that you could put your keys and whatnot. And one really nice thing about this bag, it does come with the feet to protect the bottom of the bag. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, it comes with a strap for crossbody wear. And this one here comes with one slip pockets and one zippered pockets on the other side. And with the linen lining, not sure if you could see here. And one really interesting. Let me put this one out and let's compare to the size of the water bottle here. The dimension of this bag here is about 10¼ inches in length. It's about 7 inches in height and about 4 inches in width. And I was thinking something really interesting that, on this bag, it did come out to on the side here so that, if it's open all the way, which makes sense, things will not fall out. So, let me put this one here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.